Hello, this is Caleb Overton with Keller Williams. This is the January 2022 Santa Barbara Real Estate Market Report. The big news this month that is affecting the bond market, the stock market, and the mortgage market is the persistent hot inflation numbers. Just last month, we talked about how the Federal Reserve might possibly raise rates 3 to 4 times this year in quarter-point increments. We also discussed as the data changes, we're going to change along with that. And we got several hot inflation points this past month, and those expectations have jumped from 3 to 4 rate hikes this year up to 5 to 7 quarter-point rate increases, with the possibility that at the March meeting, the Federal Reserve might raise rates by 0.5 point. Now, the mortgage market immediately prices in these expectations, and the mortgage rates have increased over the past month or two. Now, how does this relate to the real estate market? In 2021, there was 6.4 million homes sold in America, which was a record, compared to 2020, where there was 5.6 million homes sold. There's 800,000 more homes sold in America. And this is because we're having buyers trying to lock in these record low interest rates. So what we really have is a surplus of buyers. Now, an example I want to use is if we had a $1 million loan at 3%, your principal and interest payment would be $4,215 a month. If we kept, and I do know that people also add in the property tax and insurance, so your payment will be higher than that. But if we kept that same $1 million mortgage and moved it from a 3% interest rate up to 4%, your monthly payment on principal and interest would jump to $4,775, which is $560 more a month, which is plus or minus a car payment. Now, if you're trying to sell, the whole goal is to sell into a pool of buyers that will, potentially bid your home higher than what you listed at. And at the moment, we have a lot of buyers scrambling to find a home and lock in these interest rates as they're continuing to trend higher. So my suggestion would be, if you're looking to sell, you probably want to do it sooner rather than later, because as these interest rates move higher, that buyer pool tends to shrink a little bit. I know everybody has a different situation, and I'd love to have a confidential conversation with you to discuss strategies that might make sense for you. Thanks again for listening to this, and I look forward to talking with you. We'll see you next month. Bye.